In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in WooCommerce fast and easy. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center and where all the magic happens. From your dashboard, look for the Products option in the left-hand menu and give it a click. You'll see that WooCommerce has a bunch of options here, and the one you're looking for is Categories. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Categories screen. This is where you can manage, add, and organize your product categories. Now you'll see a section on this page where you can add a new category. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a name for your new category in the Name field. Think of this as the label that will be displayed to customers in your store. Make sure it's descriptive and clear so that your customers know what it's about. Once you have a name set, you'll need to add a slug. This slug will form the URL of the category. It's best practice to keep it simple and relevant, often using lowercase letters with hyphens instead of spaces. After you're done with the slug, the next step is to determine if this is going to be a parent category or if you'd like it to be a child category nested under an existing one. If it's a child category, select a parent category from the drop-down. This is useful for organizing your store's hierarchy and will help customers navigate through different product lines more seamlessly. Moving down, you'll see the description box. This space allows you to give further detail about what customers will find in this category. While not always visible on the site, it can be useful for SEO or if your theme supports category descriptions. Next is the Display Type option. Here you can choose how you want products to appear in this category when viewed on your site. Some themes have different display options, so select the one that best fits your store's layout. Don't forget the Thumbnail section, where you can add an image representing the category. It's a great visual cue for customers when shopping and keeps your site looking professional and organized. Finally, once you've filled out all these fields, everything should be in place to add your new category. Look for the Add New Category button and click it to save all your changes. And there you have it. Your new product category is set up and ready to be populated with products. With these steps, you've efficiently added a new product category to your WooCommerce store. Remember that organizing your products into categories not only helps with navigation, but also improves the overall user experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.